And Chirag, it didn't come as much of a surprise to see a fairly tempered set of earnings from Eicher. The question is, what exactly are you reading into by the way of the management commentary? They said the demand is slow in a lot of regions, and that really does seem to be a concern. And they have seen an increase in cost due to on account of the ABS technology. How worried are you on the back of commentary like this?
Yeah, so for the first time, the management has accepted the fact that the weak volume has been mainly driven by weaker demand as against production-related issues that they have been highlighting over the past few months. And to that extent, definitely this is a worrisome sign, especially with the overall two-wheeler industry itself going through multiple regulatory challenges over the next 6 to 12 months. I think the weakness will sustain. And to that extent, we maintain our cautious view on the stock.
Okay. But Chirag, in the near term, considering that the stock is already languishing at a 26-month low, how much more of a downside can you witness? And do you not believe that all the negatives are already in the price, somewhere baked in?
Yeah, so definitely valuations have corrected massively for this company. But again, we need to also see the fact that in most of the markets, I mean, the weakness actually started with mature markets in South and West like Maharashtra and Karnataka almost 3 years back. And there the volumes have declined by almost 30 to 50% range in terms of retails over the past 2-3 years. And the weakness in the Hindi belt has just started to play out. So what we believe that at the national level, the kind of volume weakness that the company is witnessing, I think this will continue. And unless and until the franchise stabilizes or the demand stabilizes, especially in the mature markets, it would be very difficult to take a call on valuation because we are seeing consistently a disappointment on volumes as well as margins and obviously on earnings. So to that extent, to take a call on valuation unless the franchise stabilizes would be very difficult at this point of time.
All right. So are you revising your overall target price on Eicher Motors, and are you looking at a re-rating in the stock?
So we have been negative on Eicher for now more than 15 months, and we still maintain a high conviction sell rating on the stock. Our target price is 16,200, and we are definitely much below the consensus on earning estimate. We are building in low single-digit volume growth for this year as well as for the coming financial year. And with margin decline, I mean, because of the relatively lower volume growth that the company would see. So we have sell rating and we maintain that.
Chirag, we'll leave it at that. Yes, definitely on the lower end of what other brokerages are saying, because as I see this snapshot of what brokerages have said after Eicher's numbers, Goldman remains, holds their target of a buy rating. 28,717 is their target price on Eicher. Credit Suisse got a hold, 21,800. JP Morgan is overweight with a 27,000 price target. 30,000 is what BNP Paribas is quoting it as with a buy rating. And overweight from Morgan Stanley, Jefferies with a buy. So those price targets are also in the range of 28,000 to 23,000. So